In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Sendwave app, updated for 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or looking for the most current procedures to get started, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Sendwave app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in your app store by simply searching Sendwave. Once you have the app installed, tap on it to open. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. This includes your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure you input your details accurately to avoid any issues later on. After you've entered this information, you'll also need to select your country from the drop-down menu provided. Selecting the correct country is crucial as it helps tailor the app's features and services to your specific needs. Once you've filled in these details, look for the Sign Up button on the screen. Click it to proceed. This step officially starts your registration process with Sendwave, so make sure everything you've entered is correct before proceeding. You'll now be asked to verify your mobile number. This step is essential as it ensures the security of your account and allows Sendwave to authenticate your identity. You should receive a text message with a verification code on the phone number you provided. Enter this code in the app when prompted. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment as sometimes messages can be slightly delayed. With your mobile number verified, it's time to set up a PIN. Your PIN will be a 4-digit number that you'll use to access the app securely. Think of it like a password, something you should easily remember but hard for others to guess. Enter your chosen PIN and then click the button to confirm. Next, you'll need to re-enter your PIN. This is a security measure to ensure that you've entered the correct numbers the first time around. It minimizes the risk of mistakes and safeguards your account. Once you've re-entered your PIN, click on the confirmation button to finalize it. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, your account is officially created. You're now ready to explore all the features Sendwave has to offer and start making the most out of international transfers with ease and security. I hope you found this step-by-step guide useful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out through the app's support features. Thanks for watching and happy sending!